How to fix Roblox voice chat not working. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open Roblox, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings. Then the next step is to simply scroll down and then simply click on verify my age. So as you can see, by clicking on verify my age, you'll be completing an ID verification process operated by their third-party service provider. And basically, if you verify your age, you're going to be able to use the voice chat on Roblox. So this is the only way to fix this problem and get the voice chat option enabled on your Roblox account. So by verifying your age, you're gonna get your voice chat enabled. Now there is another way to fix this problem. So if you are using the browser version of Roblox, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to the settings of your browser. I'm using Chrome, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to privacy and security, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply click on clear browsing data, and then here what you're gonna have to do is select all time, and then simply enable only these two options, and then simply click on clear data, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.